Hi guys, in this video I'll be making this budget friendly and very nutritious sauce using garden egg. First off, you salt your garden egg, ensure there is no spoiled one, you remove the stalk, wash properly and then boil till it becomes soft that a fork can easily pierce through it. Then you set this aside to cool down a bit. Heat up about 2 cooking spoons of palm oil in a saucepan. Then saute some chopped onions for some seconds. After that, you add your pepper mix. I usually add 2 or 3 tomatoes while blending my pepper mix to tone down the heat. You can skip if you like your food very spicy. Fry this for about 5 minutes. Then add your seasoning cubes, some salt, and then some smoked fish. Then for the garden egg we cooked earlier, you can either mash this with your potato masher, your mortar and pestle, or you can pulse blend with your blender. You then add this to the frying pepper mix. Mix it together and cover the pot and leave to simmer for 10 minutes. Add your ground crayfish, mix very well and then cook for an extra 5 minutes before you turn off the heat. And it's done. This can be served with boiled yam, potato, plantain and boiled rice. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so.